Scientists discover unknown object in our galaxy emitting regular signals. A newly detected object called ESCAP J1832-0911 by astronomers has been sending out X-ray and radio waves into space every 44 minutes. The transmissions have been picked up by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration or NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and the Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder or ESCAP, a radio telescope in Australia. Astronomers classify the object as a long period transient or LPT. First discovered in 2022, LPTs are known for consistently emitting radio waves at minute or hourly intervals. What sets this newly found LPT apart from others is that it is releasing both radio and X-ray signals, which thus has intrigued researchers.
Astronomers have detected a mystery stellar object which emits pulses of light for 2 minutes every 44 minutes. A handful of objects like this have been found before, but this is the first to emit both radio waves and X-rays. Curtin University astronomer Dr. Tung Wang led the international team behind the investigation.
We have discovered something that we don't quite understand. It is a cosmic object that flashes in both radio waves and X-ray every 44 minutes. It comes from our own galaxy at around a distance about 15,000 light years, so it's pretty far away, but still within our galaxy.
Upon learning of this discovery, Supreme Master CHINGHAI, vegan, sent us this urgent message. Just in case our power can't overcome the excessive, horrific karmic burden, what we see here is a signal for the world's final destruction. In this video, the celestial station says goodbye. There are some other signs, not seen or captured by cameras. Humans do not seem to try hard enough to help balance the scale, to lessen or to nullify grand sin. We must just be vegan, try harder to avoid the worst scenario.
Thank you, involved scientists, including Dr. Tung Wang, for sharing your research findings on this LPT with the world. Our deepest gratitude, Master, for explaining this cosmic phenomenon and again reminding humankind that it is imperative to U-turn now and lead principled lives, which includes the loving vegan diet.